Are you looking for the best power inverter for trucks? In this video we will look at some of best power inverter for trucks. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Giandel 5000 watts power inverter. This one is the leading inverter manufacturers of Australia, Giandel. For over a decade, the Giandel have never disappointed the market with any faulty product. And its 5000W power inverter is no exception. This heavy-duty inverter will be a perfect match if you've higher electric needs in general. Installing the inverter makes you completely worry-free about the health of plugging devices. Not only for regular truck drivers, but there's something for RV workshop owners too. You can even use it to operate heavy machines like chainsaw or grinder as well. The inverter's peak power is over 10,000 watts. It will easily handle the starting burden of every device you plug in simultaneously, thus riding your truck without any fear of overload and surge issues. Here's an intriguing feature of Giandel inverter that separates it from the rest of the crowd. The company provides you with a remote control facility to have complete control over the inverter with zero hassle. Now, there's no need to install the inverter near the driver cabin. The cable connecting remotely is 14 feet long, allowing you to freely choose the installing position of the inverter. The Giandel 5000 watts is built big and comes with a high-grade aluminum body. This smart build-up design keeps the inverter safe from any possible physical damage, such as drops and bumps. There's no doubt that the inverter is equipped with all the necessary safety features. From handling low voltages to prevent short circuits, there's nothing to worry about. It even has an auto restart feature for more reliability. Heavy workload. Remote control. For AC outlets. Number 4. Bistag 1200 watts power inverter. This one is to cover up the needs for a small vehicle like vans and mini trucks. A 1200 watts power inverter is all you need in this case. But, don't worry with Bistag, you'll not have to worry about the quality of the inverter. The company provides you with almost similar benefits you expect in high-power inverters. Starting with the quiet cooling fan first. The company claims to provide you with zero to minimum operating sound. This will help you on long journeys, drive your vehicle without any irritating and distracting sound. The LED display is also available with this model, helping you to have a better look at the inverter and battery status. This smart screen displays important health conditions such as battery level, safety symbols, etc. You can easily take necessary steps when needed. This inverter doesn't compromise on the safety and protection of devices. It is equipped with 450 amp fuses to handle even severe conditions easily. On top of that, all the necessary features, like safe charging, overheat prevention, overload prevention, are also added. For flexible connectivity of multiple devices, a decent number of ports are available here. There are 2 USB ports and AC outlets each. Having these numbers of ports at a 1200 watts inverter is quite appraisable. Moreover, getting 18 months of replaceable warranty is like a cherry on the cake. You get all of these lucrative yet powerful features within $100 of investment. Number of ports. 50 amp fuses. Silent cooling fan. Found nothing so far. Number 3. Ampeak 2000 watts power inverter. Ampeak is one of the oldest company in the automotive and energy solution space. Its 2000 watts power inverter comes from the side of 23 years old company. Thus, questioning its quality will be a waste of time. This power inverter is compact, which means you'll not have to worry about the limited space. In addition to this, its out body is made with an ABS shell to provide strength and durability to the inverter, physically. Thus, no worries while riding a truck on poor roads. By having a glimpse of the advanced features, it looks like it is a 2000 watts plus inverter. The Ampeak inverter comes with 2 cooling fans for effective heat removing process. No matter what the heat will be, these fans will always manage to cool down the whole system in no time. This also brings surety that the inverter will last for many years. Having an LED screen is another benefit that will lure you towards it. In this way, you'll always know the current condition of both batteries and inverter. Also, knowing inverter health, you'll be able to take every precaution to prevent further damages. The inverter is more beneficial if you're inclined towards using heavy or general devices. Those doesn't require USB ports. You'll get 3 AC outlets and only 1 USB port for easy connectivity. A bit of limitation to electronic gadgets. An additional remote plug is also available, if you wish, to make the inverter remote control. The remote will demand $10 more only. As a bonus, you also got 18 months of replaceable guarantee. This will let you towards a worry-free purchase. ABS shell body. 2 cooling fan. LED screen. Only 1 USB ports. Number 2. Energizer 3000 watts power inverter. There's no doubt that the Energizer 3000 watts will take care of your moderate to high consumption needs. Moreover, its peak 6000 watts of power leaves no reasons to worry about the safety of the inverter. Its smart LED screen is there to convey accurate details about the inverter and battery. You can easily know about the battery stats, I/O voltage, and a lot of other things. On operating the inverter on protection mode, the LED will let you know about the active modes as well. The inverter is equipped with a decent number of ports as well. There are 2 USB ports and AC outlets each so that you don't need to comprise unplugging devices. Also, you'll get the necessary cables with the pack. This Energizer 3000 watts is equipped with all the necessary safety features. Whether it's low voltage, overheating, or surge, the inverter can handle all of them with ease. On top of that, the company also provides you with a decent replaceable warranty of 2 years. Which makes this heavy inverter worth considering. LED screen. 2 years warranty. No remote control. Number 1. Renogy power inverter. Renogy 2000W pure sine wave inverter is perfect for use in homes, RVs, trucks, and off-grid solar power systems. It stands out for its blend of high power output, safety features, and user-friendly design. With a robust 2000 watts of continuous power and a peak surge capacity of 4000 watts, it ensures your devices operate smoothly during startup. Its pure sine wave output boasts over 90% conversion efficiency, minimizing energy loss. Safety features like LED indicators for voltage and overload protection, cooling fans, and a ground fault circuit interrupter make it reliable for daily use. Moreover, it's designed to safeguard your electronics, offering a grid-quality AC output that prolongs the life of your appliances by ensuring they run efficiently and quietly. Over 90% conversion efficiency. Advanced pure sine wave output. Includes remote control for convenience. ETL certified for safety and quality. Durable metal housing with cooling fans.